Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule messages in iMessage on iOS 26. To schedule messages, go to the Messages app, then click on Create New Message, then click on plus, and now select your recipient. Now, once we have that set, simply click on plus and you'll see send later. Now you can select the date to when to send the message, and select send, like enter the message. Now you can click on send. And I don't know if that works for RCS messages. I know that it doesn't work for SMS messages, and it works for iMessage. So for people who have iPhones, if you're texting to someone that has an iPhone, then it will work. If you're texting someone that has an Android phone, I'm not really sure. I think it depends, but I can't guarantee that. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.